Got the M95 all broken down. Go ahead and take a closer look at it. And the forestock here looks fairly clean inside comparatively. Just some dirt. The barrel bands look like they got some good amount of finish on them. A little bit of rust, some rust scaling on this trigger guard here, but overall looks pretty good. Bolt looks to be in good shape. Lots of dirt and plant life and little bugs underneath the barrel here. You can see the finish looks pretty good on this one. Looking inside the stock here, a little dirty, but overall it looks okay. I don't see any cracks right now. So I got working on this one, get it cleaned up, and I'll do a video of the parts once I'm finished. Let's clean up the M95. Wood's still a little dirty. I'll have to do a few more coats of linseed oil to break that out. Most of the stock is cleaning up really nicely. Doesn't look like there's any cracks or wood rot. The other side of the stock looks good. Definitely want to take this out and clean it out really well. It's kind of grimed up. Operates much smoother now. You can see the barrel's in really good shape. It's got a lot of its original finish left. Took apart the bolt, firing pin, and the spring are in good shape. And the trigger guard and magazine are also in good condition. A lot of finish left. And the top handguard, no visible cracks or damage. Not a lot of finish left on the front band, but seems to be okay. Rear band has a lot more finish left than the front. Some of the small parts in here, so I don't lose them, but the extractor is in good condition too, which is good. Only issue that's really is the missing sight leaf here. I'll go ahead and reassemble this and do a video of it all put together. So I got the M95 all cleaned up, and I have it sitting underneath another M95 I got from Royal Tiger. That one is a 8x50. The one I just cleaned up is an 8x56 conversion. They updated the cartridge to a more modern type of cartridge. So go ahead and take a closer look. Still have to fill that hole in. I'll probably do a video of a couple different stock repairs in the future. You can see that the magazine's got a lot of finish on it compared to the one I received previously. This one also has the AOI stamp for Italian East Africa. I think the stock on this one's a little bit better than this one, but the finish on this one is certainly much better. You can see it's got a really nice marking for Steyr. I'm told these are the acceptance marks, so this would be 1918. And there's an S for when it was converted to 8x56. You can see the sight smaller, just unfortunately I don't have that part there on the sight. Moving down the rifle, you can see the finish is pretty good on this rear band. Not so much on the front band and muzzle. It's possible that this was just sticking out in the pile and got exposed to some of the elements. Go ahead and flip it over. Wood looks pretty good this side. There's no cracks or damage to the wood, just dirty. You can see it's got a pretty large sling loop here. And there's the stacking rod right there. got a sling, a side swivel here, similar to how this one also has it, but this one also has a sling swivel to put a sling underneath the rifle, whereas this one does not. So it's likely was removed from here, but I don't see any area here where there used to be a sling swivel, so it's possible I just never had it. I like the low serial number, it's 3 digits. It's kind of interesting. This is a 803. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bore. So overall, this is a pretty good example of a M95 carbine from Roll Tiger Imports. The bore looks like it is shootable. Not the best, but certainly usable. I certainly won't be using this as any kind of like target marksmanship rifle, so it doesn't really matter. The top one there uses 8x50, so it'll be pretty hard for me to shoot it. The bottom one does use 8x56. I was able to source some 8x56 ammunition. It's from PPU. You can see it's a pretty interesting round. It's kind of similar to like a Mosin case. Looking at the muzzle, it doesn't eat the bullet at least, which is good news. So I look forward to taking this to range and to get some the M block clips for it. So I look forward to shooting it, and I'll do a video on that eventually when I can get some time to go down to the range. I'm interested in shooting. I never shot one of these Steyrs before, the M95, so looking forward to it. Should have a few more videos coming up. I got 2 more rifles left in the haul that I recently got, so I'll have videos of that up as well as some collection videos. If you'd like to get notified of that, please feel free to subscribe and sign up for alerts. And as always, thank you for watching.